Welcome. If you are over 60 and feel like your legs are getting weaker, or if knee pain and stiffness make daily walking feel like a chore, you are in the exact right place. Today, I am showing you one simple bed exercise that actually strengthens your legs faster than walking, without putting a single pound of pressure on your joints. Most seniors are told that walking is the best way to stay strong. But here is the truth. When your leg muscles are already weak, walking can actually force your body to compensate, putting harsh friction and impact directly onto your knee cartilage and hip joints. This doctor-approved exercise changes everything. Because you are lying comfortably in bed, gravity works with your body instead of against it. Your joints are completely unloaded, allowing your nervous system to fire up and strengthen your major leg muscles with zero joint pain. Let's do it together right now. You can do this first thing in the morning before you even get out of bed, or right before you go to sleep. Start by lying flat on your back on your bed. If you need a small pillow under your head for comfort, go ahead and use one. Relax your shoulders, place your arms flat by your sides, and take a deep, calm breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now, slide your feet up toward your body until your knees are bent at a comfortable angle and your feet are resting flat on the mattress, about hip-width apart. Here is the key movement. Keep your arms and shoulders totally relaxed on the bed. Take a deep breath in, brace your core gently, and as you exhale, press down through your heels and squeeze your glutes to lift your hips up toward the ceiling. This is the glute bridge with heel drive, the single best bed exercise for seniors over 60. Hold your hips up at the top for 3 full seconds. 1, 2, 3. Feel your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back muscles actively firing to support your pelvis. Then slowly lower your hips back down to the mattress with total control, taking 2 full seconds on the way down. Do not just drop your hips. Controlling the movement on the way down is where half of your muscle strength is built. Let's look at why this simple movement builds functional leg strength faster than walking. When you walk, your glutes and hamstrings only activate partially because your body is rushing forward. But when you drive through your heels in a bridge, you isolate and recruit up to 80% more muscle fibers in your posterior chain, the exact muscle groups responsible for helping you stand up from a deep chair, climb stairs safely, and keep your balance on uneven ground. Now, let's make sure you avoid the 3 most common mistakes that limit your results. Mistake number 1, pushing through your toes instead of your heels. If you lift your heels off the mattress, you shift the stress right into your knee joints. Always keep your heels pressed firmly down. Mistake number 2, overarching your lower back. You do not need to push your hips up as high as possible. Only lift until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight diagonal line. Mistake number 3, holding your breath. Inhale on the way down and exhale as you drive up. Smooth breathing keeps your heart rate steady and delivers oxygen directly to your working muscles. Aim to perform 10 slow, controlled repetitions every morning. As your legs get stronger, hold the position at the top for 5 seconds instead of 3. In just a couple of weeks, you will feel a massive difference in your leg stability. Your morning stiffness will fade, and standing up will feel effortless. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a daily senior fitness tip. Drop a comment below and let me know how your legs feel today. Thank you for moving with me, and I will see you in the next video.